Twin turbo Coyote, man, these things are nice. Whenever you see any kind of Gen 3 on race stars with a drag pack, you know it's gonna be absolutely ridiculous, bro. But this thing's making sick power. Look at everybody vibing and all that. That's what I like to see, man. Everybody's just hanging out. So I threw this meet so people in Carrollton can start hanging out more, because the community out here, we have a good scene, but nobody hangs out. So now hopefully we can keep bringing it all together. Bro, look at John, bro. Even John showed up. John's here too. Okay, internet, save this woman, all right? Bella's out here talking about she wants to get black chrome headlights. This ain't 2001, dog. You gotta get. You got what? Oh, what did you want?
It's not black.
What color?
Smoked chrome.
Okay, so it's still chrome. All right, this isn't 2002. Go with the black housing. Internet, drop a comment. Internet, drop a comment.
No.
Smoked chrome or black housing? Please save this woman. She's out here muffler delete and now she's acting brand new. Oh, Jeff, tell her, bro, this ain't Fast and Furious 1, dog. What's she doing, bro? Like, man, and this is the. What is your Instagram?
4KHI_L.
Okay, I got you. He's out here saving her and lighting the way, no pun intended. But she, man, what, girl? What is you doing, bro? This is nice. Your idea is trash, bro. Damn, bro. Get this, internet, dude. Save this chick. Tell her to get the black housings. Oh, whatever. Your idea sucks. Dog, please tell this chick to not get. No, I'm telling everybody. She's talking about. All right, how do those black housings look?
On that car?
Yeah.
Good.
Look good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. How would you feel if it was smoked chrome?
Smoke chrome?
Thank you.
What?
You just said it all.
What is that like?
I don't even know.
That chrome housing with smoke lenses?
It just sounds garbage.
No, it's not.
It just sounds garbage. It sounds terrible, doesn't it?
I have to see it.
It sounds terrible. Don't do it. Just burn the idea. Internet, convince her, please. All right, yeah. All right, let me stop before I make her cry. I'm like, who the hell is driving John's car? Why do you have John's car?
Windows about it.
So you took John's car? Okay, makes sense. Oh, hey, what's going on? What? Okay, why do you have this car? Okay, all right. Apparently we're out here just stealing cars. Just stealing Z1 cars. They're twinning.
I drove that car.
Russell's like, yo, can you move my car for me? I'm like, you gonna be out here watching me?
This thing goes so hard. Look at these guys twinning. This is adorable. Oh, this thing sounds can. I love Camaros too. Little hidden secret. I almost sold my Z for one, but yeah, I love those things too. Hey, can someone tell them we ruined their TikTok spot? This thing's starting to pack out. I'm gonna see if it spills out more towards the second level, but yeah, this one's doing a lot better than the first one. It's pretty tight. I'll walk around. There's a couple of cars. There's also a heads and cam Camaro that I just pulled up that I just showed you guys. It looks like there's a dope Miata. I want to show you guys what's going on in this meet. There's actually quite a couple of cars that are pretty nice. Oh snap! Dang, look how majestic you look. Stop. Whoa, whoa, whoa! All right, it's a Mustang. Everybody, pack up, okay? Watch out! Watch out! Hey, Mustang, dude, at least 20 feet back, okay? Yeah, for real. Dude, Mustang crowd, you didn't hit anybody. Kudos to you, dude. You killed it, bro. Selling Legos at the meets. I'm not gonna lie, I've never been a Lego. Look, I'm stupid, bro. Hot Wheels, bro. Whatever, man. Don't judge me, dude. But yeah, Hot Wheels at the meet. This is dope. And shout out to you again because you saved me at Tech. I borrowed his nuts and it passed. Dude, what? Dude, thank God for good people, man. Wait, what? This thing is too clean, bro. Carbon front bumper, carbon fenders, one-off wheel. This thing is nice, dude. Look at this print up top. This is tight. Hold on, first of all, let's start with your Instagram. I know you're famous on it. This is a lie, okay? You are not slow. All right, can you tell me what you were telling me just now about what you got on this car?
Well, you know, this is a slow Miata. That's what people say. Look at that slow Miata.
So you got a 1.8 turbo, eBay turbo kit. That's what you told me.
CX Racing turbo kit, plug and play. It's not plug and play, but you know.
I hear a lot of things about the CX kit. I know.
But it works right now. It's working. Yeah, it's a 99 BP4W head, 2001 BBT block, ARP head studs, Cometic gasket. EV14s, 550 injectors.
So you're on E85 or are you on pump gas?
93.
Okay.
Pump 93. It has Mega Squirt, ISR exhaust, two-step, street tune right now, 230. You know, just low boost, 10 pounds, and 216 torque. So
okay. No, but like I was telling him, man, this is more than enough on a light chassis like this to power to weight. Once he's on a full dyno tune, he said he's down to run me. I'm super down. He's gonna gap the hell out of me. Low end, you're
slow me out. Look,
nah, it's no, because that's a lie.
Slow me out of it. Stock motor, but yeah, probably eventually I'll build a motor, and then yeah, for sure I'll give it the beans, you know.
I'm with that. Thank you, bro. This thing's tight. Got a little corner spot out here. This is dope. It's spilling out to the second. Oh yeah, these Grand Nationals go ham. Wait, we gotta give this thing some love. This thing is nice, bro.
Real nice.
Woo.
Oh, there it is.
Are you really lost where the turbo's at? Bro, boy, that thing's bigger than your head, bro. Dang. We got a celebrity here. Okay. Boy, what's up, pimp? Dang, bro. There's not a lot of parking upstairs. There might be. Go double check. Okay, cool. Like the only other VR here. Apparently full bolt-on. Oh, it's got the black HKS. Those are nice, dude. What a flex. I like those, man. I want to get those, but how do you guys feel about the black HKS? Why do you look like you're smoking a cigar? Boy, what do these look better in black or in silver?
I like yours better.
Stop lying to me.
I like yours better.
I appreciate you, but you don't gotta lie though. I appreciate it.
They look right, bro.
Oh yeah, really nice, man. John, the black HKS or the silver ones? Which ones look better?
I like black because you don't know.
Once you go black, you don't go back. You know what I mean?
That's not black.
That's how it is, man. Yeah, man, never fails. It's starting to get better and better every meet. It's pretty cool. So I appreciate everybody that came through. But yeah, we're gonna get to the actual point of this video. Just want to showcase the meet a little bit. And we have my boss's McLaren coming through. Well, why, bro? Why? Every time. No, they're not looking at mine. Don't look at mine. Oh God. Okay. Yeah. Look how ghetto it is. Watch this. Oh, sorry. Who's ghetto piece of this?
It's yours, isn't it?
Yes, unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
I know. I love this thing. I'm kidding. I thought you guys were gonna roast me. Okay, see, there it is. I was like, oh, what's the first thing they're gonna notice?
We just don't talk about it.
We don't talk about it. I was like, oh God, the crowd's going. I was like, no. Look at this. Dang. Okay. What's going on, dude? It might be better to try and go in reverse. Russell brought the 720S. This thing is clean. I love this color, man. Look, this thing is a whole flex. I love this car. Some girl left her Starbucks on the ground. Now we gotta move to McLaren. Dude, that sounds so good, man. Jeez. Russell just became the main character in like 30 seconds. This is too nice. Well, definitely drew a crowd. It's nice. This thing is too tight. This thing's sounding mean, bro. What's up, Norgang? So now we're back, but yeah. So let me do this. Hold on. Let's get some privacy. Now we're a few days ahead after the meet. Thank you to anybody who actually showed up to the meet. I thought it was fun. A lot of positive reception and everything. Thank you guys. I'm kind of in a pickle, and it sucks. So to kind of just jump straight into it, my turbo is not blown, but it's very close. I'm already. This is just typical VR30 stuff. This is something that I knew damn well I was gonna have this problem, and it's happening a little bit sooner than I thought. But here I am. Yeah, turbo's on its way out. A lot of like white smoke randomly. I'm burning a lot of oil randomly, and that just means it's time to finally do the switch. So I just want to make the most educated decision. Please, guys, tell me what you guys think. All right, there are some RT turbos that are coming out. It's like their revision, or I don't know what to call it. But and then there's pure stage 2s. Everybody does pures. It's a lot more expensive, but it's proven product. Which then there's RT, which they have something that's on the way out that seems absolutely insane. But I want everybody If you don't have these turbos, do not leave feedback. I do not care about your opinion. I want the people who actually have it and people who can tell me how they feel about it. What's the pros, the cons, guide me through it. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he wild. It's like I never left Florida. Let me know what you guys think about it. Give me all the pros and cons, and then I will show you guys the rest of the damage once I get out the gym, because I have put about, I would say, $4,000 to $5,000 worth of damage in one trip on my car, and it's a little bit sad, but it's all right because we already got upgrades. So I'm gonna show you guys the other damage, and we'll just move forward and cry together. Look at Greg over here, bro, with the LS Swap Tesla. Dude, you can't even hear this thing pull up, bro. You can gap me though on the low end. All right, Greg, I'll see you later. Go, you gonna give me a small pull? That's insane. That crap makes no damn sense, man. But whatever, let me show you guys what's going on, because I got a whole bunch of damage on this car. So, first thing, no worries, you guys are good, it's okay. So I already damaged this Nismo bumper was already damaged before, just because on the way to Z-Days I hit a deer. It was already dead, I promise. I hit that and it made my undershell get bent, so it made the bumper bow out. This side is had some damage here. I was gonna sell it as is, but now I'm just gonna give this thing away to whoever wants it, because in the end of the day, you have to fix tabs. This thing ripped off. It's like $400 bumper, but it's good. I have another one already in the living room. Not gonna tell you guys what it is. I'll wait till it's painted. Got to fix some curb rash that's on the car. My bumper in the rear, this is already flapping. Now I'm like Flappy Bird every time, like I'm over like 40 miles per hour. So I'm gonna get these fixed. In the end of the day, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and just kind of get new setup all around and just start fresh. And the last but not least, also my B-pillar, going 170, this thing just flew off. I know you guys, I talked about it in a previous video, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put carbon fiber ones, and I went ahead and bought a carbon fiber hood, just waiting for it to come in. There's quite a bit of damage, but still like it, it's still fun. It just looks ugly as hell. Dude, look at this thing, man. This makes no damn sense. But it's all right, we'll get there. I always appreciate when some people appreciate the car. Hold on, wait. You did it, nice. And then they like it, so that's cool. It's nice meeting other people that just like take interest in the car. I think it's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna head back to the house, and I'm just gonna end it here, you know? Thank you guys for watching. A lot of damage. It's a couple of $1,000s worth of damage I gotta fix, but it's all right. You know, we'll get there. It's a step at a time. And you know what? I knew what I was getting into when I did this swap, and you know, all the things that are happening in my car. But thank you guys. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.